right, ladies and gentlemen and video designers, we're going to do part 7, finishing up. So the first thing I want you to do is take a look at the scoring guide. Make sure that you've accomplished everything that you were expected to accomplish on your video slideshow. Then we're going to save it as an MP4. We're going to export it as an MP4. Then we're going to upload it to YouTube. And then from YouTube, we're going to put it on your web portfolio. So let's see what this is going to look like. All right, so again, this thing is finished. It hit every item on the scoring guide. And so then we're going to go File. We have been going Export Project, but we're going to do what's called a quick export, which is a totally different thing. This is actually going to save it from a project that we can edit, but that nobody else can look at, to a MP4 that everybody can watch on every computer, and we can upload to YouTube. All right, so I'm going to go to quick export, and I'm going to choose YouTube because that's the format that we want. And then I'm going to hit export, and then we're going to make sure that we've put it in the right spot. So we're going to go into video design, video slideshow. Now this is not an asset. So don't put it in one of the asset folders. We're going to stick it right here with our projects. And so I'm going to call mine Brian Miller Video Slideshow Final, and this is because I've been messing around. This is V2, so this is Final V2, and then I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now this is going to take some time. It actually has to render it, so it goes through frame by frame, and it turns this project into a MP4. So that's why it takes so long. So be patient with me here. Okay, and it is done. All right, so now that that's done, what we're going to do is we're going to go to YouTube. All right, so I'm going to make sure I'm logged in as me. All right, so that's me, so that's good. So that's the first step. Make sure you're logged in as you. All right, so I'm going to go to YouTube. Still logged in as me. Double check again. Still logged in as me, and then I'm going to click this create button, and I'm going to upload a video. And then I'm going to find that file that I just made. So we're going to go to the files. If I can do it. Hold on. Okay, so we're going to go to the files. We're going to go to video slideshow, and then there is let me refresh this. Okay, there it is. There's the MP4. And so I'm going to drag it in here. So drag it from here to here. Okay, and then it's going to do its thing for a little bit. All right, so this looks right. It has a good name. So if you want to change the name, now is the time to do it. There's the link. So let's go ahead and copy that link address now, so we can put that onto our web portfolio. So copy that. Hit next. Yes, it's made for kids. Next. I don't need any of this stuff. Next. And next. Okay, so and then we're like, double check you like all those settings, hit publish. Okay, that is good. So we're going to let it do its thing there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Weebly website, so www.weebly.com. I'm going to log in, and I'm going to go ahead and edit my site. Okay, so I'm going to go to the web portfolio. I'm going to go to create you put it whatever page you want. I'm going to put it on my video slideshow page. You should just put it in your main page where we have all your projects. So I'm going to come down here. Do not put in an HD video, because it'll charge you to do that. So that makes them store it. It's already stored on YouTube. So we're going to drag the YouTube here. I already did. Okay, so then we're going to click on it. Click right here. Control V. Paste that URL. Okay, and there it is. There's my video slideshow. Okay, so if I publish it and go to it, then it'll actually play that video slideshow. Okay, that is it for that one. Now we are done. So make sure that you have me grade your video slideshow now that it's finished, and then also I want you to turn in the web portfolio, because having the video slideshow on your web portfolio is a separate assignment. So make sure you get points for both of those assignments. All right, that's it. Thanks, guys.